dabba douche. I just got out, still rapping, slapping kittens and grabbing my crotch. I'm the artist, the golf artist, the hard as a rock. You gon' mess around and make me knock your fruit juice loose. Banana, your watermelon, and pomegranate too. Rhyming kung fu, that split bamboo. Crowd rockin', ain't no stopping that rapping ass fool. I been bad, bro, what you getting mad for? I'm gonna have to light you up. I eat flames up, crap fire out. Make me light my butt. Excuse me, with me, I got a lot of goofy. Ought to have a freaking dollhouse nice goofy. Curtains go up, it's going down to that thing out the frame with my bang. Ow. Come on, come on. I feel right in this mother. Feel good in this mother. My whole hood in this mother. And we gon' run this mother for you. Feel right in this mother. Feel good in this mother. My whole hood in this mother. And we gon' run this mother for you. And we gon' run this mother for you. Yeah, we gon' run this mother for you. Bang. Grabbing on my pants, you trying to pull it out my pocket. Don't look at me so that I'm beside. It's exercise for thighs and hip muscles. Let's exercise, you gon' burn some lip muscles. Let the music work your ear muscles. And if you're skinny, then use your lip muscles. A bad bag is bad for these muscles. But blah, blah, we smash when we hustle. Last time you had a local sandwich, huh? The last time somebody did foot support your ass couldn't run it. You can't stand it. To make matters worse, you gotta go to the studio with Bruno Mars on another planet. I'm just saying, don't believe it cause I'm saying it, believe it cause I'm can. I'm doing the rapping and the busting, Monson on the scratching and the cutting.